Hi everyone, hope you are all fine. This is Atiq. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Is SWAYAM and NPTEL both are same? If they are different, what is the main difference between them? Okay, if I want to apply a course in NPTEL, whether I am actually applying through SWAYAM, or if I am applying the course in SWAYAM, whether I am applying in NPTEL, these are some of the questions that has been raised by some of the viewers, and I thought to prepare a video to give you a clear differentiation between SWAYAM and NPTEL. Because my dear friends, my dear students, you know that before we are going to apply a course in a particular platform, we need to do research on that. Okay, in which platform we are applying for a new course, in which platform we want to learn the course, in which platform we want to write the exam, whether we are getting the certificate from the correct provider or not. Yes or no? In order to do that, we need to have a clear differentiation. So that differentiation I am going to discuss in my today's video. So my dear students, let us discuss now what is actually a SWAYAM and what is NPTEL, because these are one of the most discussed words at present now in this particular lockdown period. The reason is because many of the students, many of the viewers, they are totally dependent on online learning. And whenever the word online will come, online learning will come, these two words, then the first thing that will go in our brain is NPTEL, SWAYAM. Is it right? Now, what is SWAYAM? What is NPTEL? There are two major differences I am going to highlight in my today's video, because based on this only we can able to proceed further. Is it okay? So the first thing, SWAYAM and NPTEL. What is SWAYAM actually? You can see the first point here. It is a national MOOCs portal developed by MHRD, that is Government of India. What is meant by MOOCs portal? National means India level, we know that. MOOCs stands for Massive Open Online Courses. Massive Open Online Courses. There will be many open courses. You know, open in the sense that no need for you to pay the amount here for the course. So anyone can register for the course. All the courses are free. Massive Open Online Courses. Huge library of open online courses will be provided by SWAYAM. So this SWAYAM is a national MOOCs portal, and who is maintaining this SWAYAM this portal? It is maintained by MHRD, Government of India is maintaining this one. Is it right? Then what is NPTEL, sir? Then you are saying that SWAYAM will provide all the online courses, and you are saying that all the courses are free. We are agreed with that. Then what is NPTEL now? See this point. It is one of the 9 national coordinators under SWAYAM. Under SWAYAM, there are 9 national coordinators, which means SWAYAM is a major platform which will provide all the online courses. And what SWAYAM has done? SWAYAM has maintained 9 national coordinators. Coordinator means, in the sense, in that 9 national coordinators, one is NPTEL. You know what NPTEL will do? NPTEL will provide courses only for engineering and technology fields only. NPTEL won't provide the courses. If somebody will say, I am interested in movies, I want to learn about movies, any course will be there in NPTEL? No. Sir, I am a very huge fan of cricket, sports. Sir, I want to learn sports. Whether NPTEL will provide the course for sports? No. NPTEL will provide the courses only for engineering and technology. So what about remaining 8? I will discuss in my next video to you. So who are the total 9 national coordinators and what type of courses they will provide under SWAYAM? I will prepare one separate video on that. Is it okay? Soon. The next thing. So NPTEL is one of the national coordinator. So which means NPTEL is under SWAYAM. Clear? We got that point. Now what is SWAYAM stands for? That is the next thing. What is actually SWAYAM means? SWAYAM stands for Study Webs. S means study, W means webs of active learning. A stands for, this first A stands for active learning for young aspiring minds. So this is nothing but, in clear we can able to have focus on this particular words, that it is nothing but a massive collection of open online courses in which young generation can learn many concepts. That's what SWAYAM will do. Broad category of courses it will provide. Now if I am an engineering student, now what I will do? I will go to SWAYAM, and in SWAYAM which course will come under engineering, which platform, which national coordinator will provide courses for engineering? NPTEL will provide. That's why we are learning NPTEL. Okay. Not only NPTEL is there, we are having remaining 8 national coordinators also. They are also doing that work for different fields. For movies and sports, there is one national coordinator. Okay, if you want to learn about basic sciences and arts, commerce, there is one separate national coordinator. Okay, in that UGC is also one. So I will discuss with all of you about the total 9 national coordinators that will come under SWAYAM in my next video soon. Okay. Point number 2, what is NPTEL stands for? You can see here, NPTEL stands for National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning. Now you can see, you need to concentrate on this word, technology. So which means I already told NPTEL will provide the online courses for engineering and technology. Is it right? Now you people can ask one question to me, sir, you are saying that SWAYAM provides all the courses free, because you told that it is MOOCs portal, massive open online courses. All the courses are open. Then why we are paying the amount in NPTEL? Because NPTEL also is a part of SWAYAM. The reason is we are not paying the amount for the course. Is it right? Everyone can register for the NPTEL course or any course under SWAYAM with no charge at all. When you need to pay the fee, if you want to register for the exam. Is it right? When you want to register for the exam, if you want to get the certificate, once you clear the exam, then you need to pay the fee. So they will charge the fee for the exam. They won't charge the fee for the course. If you are a person who are sitting idle at home, you want to gain knowledge, at that time SWAYAM is one of the best platform that our country India has provided. So all of you can able to watch, listen many lecture videos from professors of IITs, IIScs, okay, and they will share the knowledge. Is it okay? So I believe that I have clearly differentiated the two things. Now you people can proudly say that, sir, SWAYAM is not a part of NPTEL, sir. NPTEL is a part of SWAYAM. SWAYAM has 9 national coordinators, in that NPTEL is one, and NPTEL provides the courses for engineering and technology. Is it right? So in my next video related to NPTEL, soon I am going to upload a video on what is SWAYAM and how it will provide the courses based on the different 9 national coordinators, with the help of 9 national coordinators. Is it okay? So any types of questions, you can simply put it in the comment section, and try to share my video, try to share my channel to all your friends and relatives, so that they will gain knowledge simply by sitting at their respective places. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.